Exeter, Bangor, Pottsville, and Tamaqua. Following Southern Lehigh, we'll have a brief intermission, and following Tamaqua will be the presentation of awards. We ask that you remain seated and do not enter or leave the stands while the bands are performing. Please be courteous and silent during their performances. Silence all cell phones and pagers if anyone still has those. Your loud cheers of support are most welcome when the band has finished their presentation. Our criteria for adjudication are based on individual achievement rather than a band-to-band comparison, which would make this more of a competition than a festival. Our judges for this evening are all members of the Pennsylvania Music Educators Association and are currently instructors in various aspects of instrumental music. Our judges for this evening are Dennis Rhodes, Kenneth Smeltz, and Bruce Schmoyer, or a substitute. We would like you now to rise and remove your hats while we honor our country and join in the singing of our national anthem, sung this evening by Miss Abby Hillick.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets were clear, the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Thank you.